Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And this quick tutorial is I will show you how to link to an email address using the Framer. So here guys, first thing you need to do here is to open your Framer project and go to the section where you want to add the email link. So here, click the plus icon or open the insert panel to add a new text or button element. So this will be the clickable link to your email. So as you can see here, this is the text. And of course, click on the element you just added to make sure it is selected. So here. And with your element selected, guys, here, click the icon at the top right or right click and choose add link. So here you'll be able to see your link and then the add button. And then of course, enter your email using the format. So as you can see here, so this will open the default mail up when clicked. And you can also click preview and try it out. Clicking the link and should open a new email draft with your address filled in. And that's it guys. You've just added an email link in Framer. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.